guys, here's a quick video. I'm doing some of my stuff. I got a number of projects over here, stuff that I have in the collection that I'm just going to tweak out a little bit and make sure that we're going. The Batmobile, the first one I made over there that has the light on it, the light doesn't work anymore. Got to replace it. And I've had what I've tried to do is create best I could like a blue light for the ambulance here. It's just not working. I've tried magic marker, nail polish, all kind of stuff. It's very difficult to make that light blue and to get the way I want it. I've got some, what are they, the 14 volt? Yeah, I got some 14 volt red, like rice light bulbs, or like a grain of rice as big as that, or a grain of wheat, whatever they are. But I'm going to go ahead and replace those. I'm going to start with that, then we'll go ahead and get to these over here, but I'm going to go ahead and do some resoldering with those little bulbs. Now, listen guys, I went to Gulf Coast Metal Railroading. They don't have any more of these. They're sold out. They're absolutely sold out. They're not going to get any more back in. The company that makes them isn't going to do anymore. Luckily, I have several packs of these. If you guys need some red lights that are, 14 volts, let me know. I can get them to you. Okay, I can get them to you. All right, so let's go ahead and get these old lights off and get the new ones on. Okay, got it in the vise and getting ready, warming up the soldering iron. And I'll just touch the soldering iron to where it originally soldered there. That should loosen up the wire and get it out of the solder. Boy, it just took a second. I touched each wire with the soldering gun here, and boy, the wires just come right out. Let me go ahead and pull it out, and we'll thread a new one in. Hey guys, one thing I like to do before I solder the bulb on is I like to test it. I'll put it up against the transformer a couple times. I'll make sure that it's working the way it should. I have had some bulbs to cut the length. I just measured the old one there, the one that's in front there, that's burned out. I've just been threading it around the chassis. I got it through the holes that the Aurora put there in the chassis for like the flamethrower. I got it cocked around back there for the turbo light for the Batmobile. So let's go ahead and strip the wires and get it soldered on. I know you guys that are expert solderers probably thinking I've got way too much solder on there. Yeah, you're right. I've had solder wires on here a number of times throughout the years. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and heat the solder up, push the wire in, should be done. Just got it soldered on there, turn on the transformer second go. Let me see if we can get, yes we do, we get some light. We get some light out there guys. That's what I want. That's going to look great as far as the Batmobile turbo light. That's gonna look great. Fantastic. You know how, I've said this before, you know how Aurora had the flamethrowers, it was always the one with the light? Well, I tell you what, the flamethrower, the only one that actually a flamethrower is the Batmobile, and I feel like Aurora missed the boat on it. They never did make that one into a flamethrower. That would be a perfect one that would be a flamethrower. They just missed the boat on it. All right, let me go ahead and get the chassis on. Just getting on the track. Let's look at the turbo light. Oh yeah, it comes right on. Comes right on. Nice. Nice. It's always fun having that turbo light come on the Batmobile. Again, that's what you would expect. You know, that's what you kind of hope for. Okay. Yeah, looking good. Okay, next up is going to be the, we're going to do the same procedure with the ambulance here. Instead of the blue light, I'm conceding. Let's go with red. Just got the old blue light off, or white blue, kind of clear blue. And it's getting ready to cut the red one to the length there. And again, you just straighten them out, and then you don't have to guess about the length, when you're doing the lights like this, guys. So just use the old one, then you don't have to, like, it's like a template from the new one is what it's like. So it works out real good. Got the wire stripped and pulled through. Already got solder on there from the last one. So again, we're just gonna heat it up and get those wires in there. Time to test it against the transformer, guys. See if we can get it just right. Oh, there we go. Look at that light up. There you go. That's what we want. Fantastic. That's going to look great in the ambulance. Looks like the light's setting in there real good. Let's go ahead and give it a test here. Oh, yeah. There you go. I know that bugger lights up real good now. That lights up just the way I want it. I know it's subtle, hard to see in the sun and everything, but boy, when that goes on, that looks really good. All right, guys, we got the ambulance here, and we have the Batmobile that we got the turbo light going on. Fun project, easy project. Again, you guys need anything, let me know. I've got several packs of these red lights left. If you need those for any project, let me know. Again, The manufacturer has stopped making them. I've got a number of packs left. All right, guys, we'll see you next video. Take care.